Building America's broadband network starts with smart, scalable solutions.
AFL's suite of Apex fiber optic splice closures simplifies deployment with a compact, high-density design that's built for speed, space efficiency, and long-term reliability.
The Apex lineup includes 5 models: the Apex X1, X2S, X2, X3, and X3H, each engineered to support different fiber counts and deployment environments.
Whether the application calls for a compact footprint or ultra-high density, Apex delivers a consistent, time-saving installation process that scales as network demands grow.
Apex closures are designed for direct bury, handhole, aerial, pole-mounted, or wall-mounted applications, making them ideal for virtually any access network environment. The Apex family consists of 5 closures, each optimized for specific fiber counts while sharing a common architecture. All Apex closures support a wide range of conventional cable technologies, including loose tube, central tube ribbon, and loose tube ribbon. All use a single gel wedge system that fits all cable sizes, eliminating the need for separate sizing kits. For loose tube cables with 12 fiber tubes and up to 288 total fibers, AFL recommends the Apex X2 closure. Lower count microcables are ideally suited for the X1 and X2S, while higher fiber counts are best served by the X2, X3, and X3H. For flat matrix ribbon configurations, half-loading splice trays helps prevent congestion and allows optimized capacity across all models, with the X3H being designed specifically for extremely high ribbon counts. Apex closures are designed to reduce installation time while improving long-term reliability. The dome seals to the base using an integrated O-ring, while independent gel sealing wedges allow cables to be installed or accessed individually without disturbing existing fibers. Each wedge pivots open for fast cable placement, snaps securely into position, and compresses gel around the cable to protect against water ingress. As new cables are added, previously installed cables remain sealed and undisturbed. Inside every Apex closure, molded slack storage baskets manage buffer tube and ribbon slack efficiently with smooth surfaces and multiple tie-down points. Universal splice trays are arranged in a hinging array that automatically locks in the upright position, providing easy access to splices and slack beneath. Each splice module supports 24 single fusion, 12 mass fusion, or 6 mechanical splices, as well as PLC splitters or OADM devices. The X3 and X3H models offer the highest tray counts and advanced slack management for high-density installations. All Apex components that may be damaged in the field are user-replaceable, including gel wedges, sealing components, locking rings, and domes. These components have been extensively tested to withstand drops, heavy impacts, and extreme temperatures. By saving installation time, reducing costs, improving organization, and maximizing usable space, Apex delivers long-term value across the entire network lifecycle. From compact deployments to ultra-high density networks, AFL's Apex fiber optic splice closure family delivers scalable performance, simplified installation, and proven reliability, especially when paired with AFL's spiderweb ribbon technology. Learn more at aflglobal.com/apex or contact AFL to request a quote or demo today.